So let me show you what are the precautions and what are the first step we want to take after getting our VPS from the VPS provider. First you want to access your VPS. After accessing, what are the steps we want to take? That is the thing I am going to tell you. First we want to update our system. So this is the command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. So now my system is up to date, and next the thing is you want to reset your password. Either you can reset in the terminal itself, or else you can go to the VPS provider and reset your password in there. I am just resetting my password in my VPS provider, so I cannot show that as now, and you can reset it because of the VPS provider interface may be variant. So for your VPS provider, you can reset in your VPS provider web page. So next we want to uh, enable the firewall. So and for that you want to first after resetting your password, the third step is securing your SSH access. So you want to change the SSH port and enable the firewall. So let me do that first. And also we need to create a user to log in for our daily purpose, so that we not going to use the admin login, that means root login for the entire day-to-day tasks. So what I'm doing, just I am using command that create a user. So add user space, so I'm creating with the name of fast travel, so just hit enter. Then this will create the user. Then you want to give the sudo permission, so you want to set the password to. So other things you can skip it over here. So next we want to set the user mod. The command is sudo user mod space -a capital G space sudo that's a step that we have created the new user. So here onwards you can use this particular user to log in. The next step is securing your SSH access. So we want to change the port number and we want to secure the connection, so that thing is, you want to first generate your key with RSA. So the command is ssketch keygen -t RSA space -b 4096. Hit enter. This will create a key for you. Just hit enter. This will store your SSH in the default root directory itself. You can also give your passphrase. Next, you want to edit the SSH configuration. So here we want to change some settings. So here where we are going to restrict the root user to are not allowed to login. So change the root login no, and password authentication. You want to again disable the password authentication. Password authentication also no. Then more extra, you want to add the key public key authentication. So I am keeping that as yes. So type this particular line. For my understanding, I am just adding some command over here. Then just we want to update the port number of the default SSH login. So just what I am doing, just uncommon, you can also uncommon this particular line and you can write it, or else you can add it in your this is just for my reference. Then you want to add the port number that you are newly going to connect, that I am going to connect to 2222. So after click after control X and give capital Y and enter, this will save your details. Next thing is you want to restart your SSH. Now you want to allow the 2222 port in the firewall, and you want to enable the firewall also. As of now the firewall is inactive, so now I have activated the firewall. So if I see the status of the firewall, now this particular port is open. So this is the fourth step, that is you want to enable your firewall and enable the port that you newly added for SSH login. The next step is very most important, is you want to enable fail to ban. So first we want to install that particular tool. This thing will ban the IP address that frequently asking to connect. That means some hackers trying to attack your system, that particular IP addresses will be automatically blocked by using this particular tool. So you want to install that, and you want to add some configuration. So just go to sudo. Okay, let's copy this particular file, etc fail to ban config /etc fail to ban. Okay, next we want to edit that file, nano /etc fail to ban local, hit enter. Now we want to enable the SSH, so just go down and here very bottom you want to add some configurations line. Here we want to specify the port first. This is the port that we are going to connect through it. Next, filter SSHD. Also you want to give the log path. slash log auth slash log. Here the ban time is automatic, so we want to just update that, so command it out. Also the maximum retry, let me leave it maximum retry, and just I'm okay, this is not good. Okay, just I'm copying this. I want to add these lines in the bottom. Here you want to add this, and that's it you want to mention. Then save the file, and you want to restart the fail to ban. So do systemctl restart fail to ban service. Okay, now it got restarted. So we also completed the fail to ban setup also. Now our server is secure, and once all the setup is done, just reboot the system and log in it.